loves, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to create this fun matte yellow smoky eye. I love how it turned out. It's a lot easier to do than it looks. So yeah, let's get started. Pick up a warm brown eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush and blend this into your crease. Next, pick up a matte yellow eyeshadow on a flat eyeshadow brush and pack this onto your mobile eyelids. Take your time building it up because yellow can be a bit tricky to work with, especially matte yellow. So if you're struggling with your yellow shadow not looking pigmented enough, use a tacky eyeshadow base, eyeshadow primer or even concealer as your base and lay the yellow eyeshadow over this. It will show up a lot more pigmented. Once you're happy with how it looks, go in and blend out the edges in the crease. Next, apply a deep brown shadow onto the outer corners of your eyelids and blend it into the yellow we just applied. Pick up a warm brown eyeshadow and blend it along your lower lash line. To deepen this look further, go in with a deep brown eyeshadow on a smaller detail brush and blend this along your lower lash line. Blend out the edges using a clean blending brush. Apply a bronze eyeshadow on the inner corners of your eyes and blend the edges out. You can also use a highlighter for this. Next, apply a yellow eyeliner or a matte yellow shadow along your lower waterline. I've placed an order for colored liners, guys, but I haven't received my package yet, so I'm using the same eyeshadow I used on my lip, and you know what? It surprisingly lasted a really long time. Then you want to do your liner. You guys, once I learned how to not disappear from frame while doing my eyeliner routine on camera, I'm telling you, it's over for everyone. Next, apply a nice coat of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Highlight your brow bone and cheekbones. Finally, I'm popping on these stunning lashes from House of Lashes. You guys, if you struggle with lash application, I have a very detailed tutorial on how to apply them perfectly every time. It's filled with tips and tricks. So I'll have it linked at the end of this video if you want to check it out. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I have new beginner friendly tutorials going up every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.